Here's a quick update on my Time Traveler arcade game. I finished making the blocks. Got some neon paint, and as you can see, they glow nicely. Also painted the sides of the cabinet where the damage was. Just wanted to do a quick update on it.
You are our last hope to defeat Vulcan. I beg you, help us. To save the universe, navigate the strings of time to the year 2552. Your quest begins in 1873.
I'll show you the cabinet paint real quick. Some touch up on the damaged areas.
Winners don't use drugs.
Here's a close look at the blocks.
Sega.
Some damage in the front corners. Touched it up. Damage on the left there.
Greetings, I am Kyla.
I think it looks a lot nicer.
I've journeyed through time to find you.
Really cool piece. Cool pickup. Like I said before, I've been on the lookout for one of these for a long time. I can remember playing it on vacation down in Orlando. Gosh, back in the early 90s. When I was just a kid, so yeah, it's pretty cool to own one. Thanks for checking this video out.